지금 바로 브릿지TV의 멤버가 되세요. 멤버 전용 영상, 라이브 방송, 브이로그, 영어로만 말하는 영상, 대본, 학습 자료까지. 가입 버튼을 누르시거나 고정 댓글란의 링크를 클릭해주세요.
What's up, Crossers? So have you guys ever tried to learn a language by watching movies? It's so much fun, right? You get totally immersed in the plot, laugh, cry, get mad at the villains, and before you know it, you forget that you're supposed to be studying. All those good-looking actors and exciting scenes steal your attention and you just get lost in the story. Now, compare that to reading a book. It's definitely less fun, right? But here's the thing, because reading does not overwhelm you with visual stimulation, you're forced to focus on the reason why you picked up that book in the first place, learning. Here's where many language learners make a mistake. They grab a book that's way too difficult for them. Maybe it's a political magazine filled with fancy words, and suddenly you're stopping every few lines to look something up. It's slow, painful, and honestly, not fun at all. Now on the flip side, some people go to the other extreme. They try reading children's books. Sure, it's easy to understand, but a 30-year-old adult doesn't really care about a 5-year-old's first day at school, right? It's not exactly relatable, and it's too boring. So where's the middle ground? How do you keep language learning both fun and interesting? Well, that's where I come in. I've created a special lecture where we'll read a story written in simple children's language, but with adult themes. So it's easy to follow, yet still entertaining. Of course, there will be some challenges. Without them, real learning doesn't happen. But it won't be so hard that you feel overwhelmed. Think of it like reading something like Sex and the City or Gossip Girl, but in children's language. It's fun, engaging, and it's designed to help you learn without the frustration. Now, you might be thinking, I know children's language. How hard could it be? But I bet you, if you pick up a book for third graders, you'll find a bunch of expressions that you have never heard of. By that age, kids are already fluent in so many phrases that most EFL learners haven't mastered yet. So don't underestimate it. This is going to be a 60-minute special lecture, and if there's enough interest, I might even turn it into a regular class. So if you're excited about this idea, show your support, join me on this fun, entertaining, and exciting language learning journey. You can click the link down below to sign up for the class. I've got something really fun and interesting waiting for you. I'll see you guys there. Alright, so that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my special lecture. To the other side.